You would not expect this building to have an elevator, would you? But you're all gonna be in for a surprise. Little plane flying over there. For quite a little plane, it's making a lot of noise. But anyway, apparently there's a modernized Eastern in here. Oh wow. What the heck? Oh, this is strange. Wow, look at this. What the heck? All right, here's the elevator. Interesting. Is it working? Oh, that's messed up. Oh, wow. Now this is interesting. Oh, look. The hoistway light's on. Oh, be quiet. Check this out. Eastern. This is just strange. And then it looks like this is where an old indicator used to be. I really would have loved to see what this thing looks like originally, but that's in the past, so no luck with that. Eastern, that's cool. All right, up to 2. Aw, new pump. At least they left the cab. Wow, that was a short travel distance. Anyway, here we are up at the top. All right, back down. Oh, they put the lantern in upside down. It's red for up, white for down. All right, and then we'll go down. That's like really loud. Look at this old white. That's original. Hey, this thing's efficient, I'll give it that. Alright, anyway. Yeah, isn't this weird? Very strange.